Number 1. The 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, priced at $29,800, located in Oakland County. This is a non-SS model. The car features a rebuilt front suspension, new shocks and springs, both front and rear. The braking system has been fully replaced on all sides. The installed Cooper tires have less than 1,000 miles on them. The 3007 engine with a Powerglide transmission runs well, equipped with an Edelbrock carburetor and intake, as well as headers and Flowmaster exhaust. However, the transmission requires warming up before it can shift into second gear. The car has been sitting for the past 6 months. There is significant rust in common areas for classic cars, including the quarter panels, trunk floor, below the rear window, and roof lining, due to its origin from Florida. While the engine still performs well, the car requires extensive metalwork and a full restoration to bring it back to its former glory. Number 2. The 1968 Ford Torino GT, priced at $10,000, located in Stowe, Ohio. This is a rare model with a formal top, similar to the Fairlane. It features a 351 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, headers, and an automatic Hurst floor shift transmission. The car starts on the first turn of the key and is equipped with power brakes, though it has manual steering. The body and paint are in fairly good condition, though there are minor flaws, such as a slightly loose front grille that vibrates when the engine is running, likely due to missing screws. The interior needs significant TLC, especially on the seats, door panels, and rear cabin areas, which are worn. All lights are functional, but the odometer has exceeded its mechanical limit. The car includes additional features, such as a front brake line lock. However, the wiring has not been installed. Several extra parts are included. The car is sold at a firm price with no negotiations or trades. Only cash payments upon pickup are accepted. It's a great choice for classic car enthusiasts looking for a restoration project. Number 3. The 1962 Ford Galaxy, priced at $10,000, located in Phoenix, Arizona. This car has undergone numerous updates to enhance both performance and appearance. Powered by a Ford 292 CU in Y-block V8 engine, it features a Mustang T5 5-speed manual transmission, replacing the original 3-speed column shifter with a 5-speed floor shift. The cooling system has been upgraded with a new aluminum radiator, while a 2-inch true dual exhaust system with Flowmaster 40 series mufflers provides a powerful sound. The front suspension has been upgraded with Crown Victoria components, including front disc brakes for improved safety and ride comfort. Custom 15-inch Boyd Coddington wheels add a modern classic aesthetic, complemented by a refreshed interior with retro-styled upholstery. The car also features a solid exhaust and drivetrain, has been garage-kept, and comes with additional equipment in the trunk, reflecting its good maintenance and high-quality restoration. Number 4. The 1977 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $6,500, located in Lima, New York. This car is equipped with a 355 Blueprint small-block engine featuring a Lunati cam, a Street Demon carburetor, and a 411 rear-gear ratio, making it an appealing option for performance enthusiasts. The paint is fresh, giving it a clean look, and the tires are new, adding to the overall appeal. However, the car requires retuning, repairs to the master cylinder seal, interior work, and the installation of missing trim pieces to complete its appearance. The interior appears quite worn and needs significant attention, but the car's body is clean with a smooth paint finish. The car has been well maintained and stored indoors during winters to protect it from weather damage. No trades are accepted, but the owner is open to reasonable offers. With its current condition, it provides a solid base for continuing a restoration project with promising performance specifications. Number 5. The 1968 Plymouth Fury VIP, priced at $4,500, located in Manchester, New Hampshire. This is a 4-door hardtop sedan without a central pillar, equipped with features such as power windows, vent windows, power front bench seats, and a modern radio with 3 mono speakers. The interior features red carpeting and leather seats, exuding a luxurious feel. The car is powered by a 383 Ci engine paired with a 3-speed 727 torque-flight automatic transmission and a Chrysler 83-24 rear differential. Several upgrades have been made, including an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, an Edelbrock 1406 carburetor, rear disc brake conversion, and a dual brake system with separate front and rear pressure. The exterior is solid but shows cracks in the vinyl roof and some rust in areas such as the front fenders, rear window, and lower quarter panels. The engine runs well, though there are leaks in the oil gasket, passenger side exhaust gasket, and lower radiator hose that require attention. The interior needs repair on the driver's seat and some power window motors. The paint has mostly faded on the passenger side due to prior poorly executed repairs. Number 6. The 1968 Ford Futura, priced at $12,500, located in Cochise County, Arizona. This car is powered by a 200 L6 engine with a 3-speed manual top-loader transmission. It requires interior updates and a repaint, but is mechanically reliable. Several components have been replaced, including the radiator, carburetor, oil pan gasket, valve cover gasket, fuel pump, gas tank, fuel sending unit, master cylinder, clutch, and transmission. Recently, the distributor has been upgraded to a Pertronic system, and the wiring harness has been replaced with an original one in good condition. The suspension has also been refreshed with new rear leaf springs, bushings, front-end steering components, and all 4 shocks. The exhaust has been replaced from the manifold to the rear. While it needs aesthetic restoration, this car has already undergone significant mechanical improvements for a dependable driving experience. Number 7. The 1968 Chrysler Newport, priced at $9,999, located in Dale, Texas. This classic car embodies the style and power of the muscle car era, powered by a 383 cu in V8 engine with an automatic transmission. The body remains in good condition with no signs of rust, as evidenced by its well-maintained exterior. The convertible top functions perfectly, making it versatile for various weather conditions. The vintage interior features a unique green and white color combination, though it shows wear consistent with the car's age. The engine is complete, but requires further attention for optimal performance. With its spacious cabin, this vehicle is ideal for family or group trips. As one of the rare full-size Chrysler convertibles, it would be a standout at car shows or local automotive events. Number 8. The 1970 Ford Ranchero, priced at $7,900, located in La Mesa, California. This vehicle combines performance with classic styling, powered by an upgraded 5.0 LV8 engine sourced from a late-model Mustang GT. It features a fully restored 302-roller engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission with a B&M shift kit, delivering robust and responsive performance. The fuel system includes an Edelbrock 650 carburetor and an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, along with short headers and Flowmaster exhaust for a distinctive and powerful sound. The rear suspension features a 9-inch differential for optimal stability. Its red exterior, complemented by a black hood, exudes an aggressive look, while new tires mounted on Cobra wheels add a modern touch. The car also boasts a new battery and alternator, making it ready to drive without additional repairs. The truck bed is in excellent condition, perfect for light transportation needs. Number 9. The 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, priced at $3,999, located in Canoga Park, California. This car has undergone a full exterior and interior refresh, featuring an attractive pastel purple paint job and matching fabric seats, creating a classic yet fresh appearance. It is currently a roller, meaning it lacks an engine and transmission, making it an ideal candidate for a restoration or modification project, such as a modern engine swap. The exterior is in excellent condition with no major damage or noticeable rust, while the interior has been updated with a matching dashboard and modern audio features like a subwoofer and stereo. Although it is not road-ready, this car offers significant potential for automotive enthusiasts. The seller seeks serious buyers for a prompt transaction and is open to negotiations or trade offers of comparable value. Number 10. The 1961 Cadillac DeVille, priced at $4,800, located in Las Vegas, Nevada. This car is perfect for a classic restoration project. It retains its original V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and original transmission, preserving its authentic specifications. However, it requires extensive attention, particularly to the severely worn interior, which includes a torn headliner, faded seats, and an aged dashboard. The exterior is relatively solid, though the paint shows wear, especially on the hood, and there may be minor rust in some areas. The engine runs, and the car is drivable, but minor repairs are needed to make it a daily driver. The vehicle includes several boxes of spare parts, which will aid in the restoration process. With complete Nevada paperwork, this car has the potential to become a stunning classic with the right care and restoration. It's ideal for antique car enthusiasts or hobbyists looking for a rewarding project. Number 11. The 1950 Chrysler Hudson Pacemaker Coupe, priced at $10,500, located in Lembas San Jacinto D. Riverside County. This car is in solid condition but requires interior finishing and some cosmetic repairs. The exterior features a blue paint job with a decent shine, though it may benefit from touch-ups. The cabin has been partially customized with modern-style front seats, but the interior overall needs reupholstering and further organization. The rear cabin has a cargo area lined with wooden protection, and the headliner is neat and not sagging. The engine has been upgraded with performance components such as an Edmunds head, Clifford 4-barrel intake, and headers, paired with a 700R4 transmission. The car runs and is a great project for collectors or enthusiasts looking to complete their custom build. Trades for a truck or pre-smog Harley-Davidson are also considered. Number 12. The 1973 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $5,500, located in Salina, Kansas. This car is in original and well-maintained condition for its age. The body is solid with no rust, except for a few minor paint chips that are easy to fix. The green interior is tidy and cohesive, with original seat covers, dashboard, and door trims. Although there is slight wear on the driver's seat, the instrument panel is mostly complete, though one dashboard switch is missing. Its function is unspecified. Mechanically, it needs minor repairs, such as replacing the exhaust manifold gasket and refreshing the carburetor, but it runs well overall. This car is an excellent option for collectors due to its originality and restoration potential. Number 13. The 1961 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $9,800, located in Casa Grande, Arizona. This car has undergone significant improvements. It features a pearl white repaint, matching its original color. The interior has been fully refurbished with red upholstery, including seats, carpet, door panels, and headliner, creating a striking appearance. A new speedometer was installed after the previous one failed, which had shown 69,000 miles. Mechanical updates include a new fuel pump, water pump, valve cover gasket, and a reconditioned radiator. The slant 6 inline engine is in good condition, paired with a push-button automatic transmission, adding to the car's uniqueness. It drives and performs well, suitable for daily use or as a standout at local car shows. The car is ready for use, with only a small area in the trunk needing minor repair. Number 14. The 1973 International Travelall, priced at $6,500, located in Staunton, Illinois. This 2WD vehicle features a 392 V8 engine and an automatic transmission with an iconic red exterior accented by wood grain siding. It embodies the 1970s aesthetic. Some restoration has been done, including a new carburetor installation. The engine is reported to run well with a good sound, and the transmission operates smoothly. However, it requires repairs to the brake system and radiator. Chrome deep dish wheels enhance its style, while older but usable tires remain in place. The vehicle has dual exhausts with thrush glass packs, producing a signature sound. Some rust is present, particularly on the floors and rocker panels, though the rear cargo floor is solid. This vehicle has great potential as a full restoration project for classic car enthusiasts. Number 14. The 1973 International Travelall, priced at $6,500, located in Staunton, Illinois. This 2WD vehicle features a 392 V8 engine and an automatic transmission with an iconic red exterior accented by wood grain siding. It embodies the 1970s aesthetic. Some restoration has been done, including a new carburetor installation. The engine is reported to run well with a good sound, and the transmission operates smoothly. However, it requires repairs to the brake system and radiator. Chrome deep dish wheels enhance its style, while older but usable tires remain in place. The vehicle has dual exhausts with thrush glass packs, producing a signature sound. Some rust is present, particularly on the floors and rocker panels, though the rear cargo floor is solid. This vehicle has great potential as a full restoration project for classic car enthusiasts.